Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are now in the module 4 in ICT and Entrepreneurship. In this video, we are going to talk about on how to participate in video and audio conferencing in a safe and responsible manner. For the content standards, demonstrate knowledge and skills in the safe and responsible use of wikis, blogs, and audio and video conferencing tools. For the performance standards, practices safe and responsible use of wikis, blogs, and audio and video conferencing tools. And for the most essential learning competencies, participates in video and audio conferences in a safe and responsible manner. There are 4 lessons in this module. Lesson number 1, define audio-video conferencing. Lesson 2, cite the technology requirements for audio and video conferencing. Lesson 3, identify the factors to be considered in conducting a video conference. Lesson 4, participate in video and audio conference actively in a safe and responsible manner. So before we go on to the lesson proper, you must first answer the pretest. Direction. Identify the following. Write the correct answer on the line before each number. You may pause this video while you answer, and once you are done, you may resume this video. Let us now check your work. Here is the key to correction. Number 1. The major device used by online user to communicate with another online user is Internet. Number 2. Computer, browser, video conference software, speakers, microphones, etc. These are the requirements for audio-video conferencing. 3. Method of communication between two persons with their personal computers or any device that are connected online via the internet is called video conferencing. Number 4, an effective internet connection, Wi-Fi, also known as wireless fidelity. Number 5, example of audio-video softwares that can be found. These are Google Hangouts, Google Meet, Skype, Zoom, Fuse Meeting. Let's understand the meaning of each word. 1. Audio. These are the sound waves that can be heard by the human ears. 2. Video. Moving visual images usually recorded digitally or by a videotape. 3. Conference. A meeting to discuss a topic. Number 4. Internet browser. A device, program used to locate different websites. Number 5. Internet. The interconnection of computer to access different websites. 6. Tools. They are software accessed via internet and use a particular online program. Communication is one of the fields of entrepreneurship that has been improved by the computer technology. How buyers and sellers and even ordinary people exchange words with each other is important in establishing connection and maintaining business relationships. This lesson will provide basic information in using different audio-video conferencing tools on the internet that can be used to communicate to other people. This lesson will also introduce the basic functions of these communication tools and present ways in sending and receiving text, audio, and digital information to others online. In entrepreneurship, communicating with people is the most crucial skill that is important in selling a product. A salesperson has to know the product and find creative ways to communicate. Online tools such as audio, video conferencing, and e-groups are some of the tools that can help entrepreneurs reach out to people. Let us talk about what is video conferencing. First, it is a method of communication between two or more persons with personal computers who are all connected online through internet. Take note, hindi lang personal computers but of course with the use of our smartphones that is connected online through internet, pwede na tayong makipag-usap. 2. Video conferencing, also called as teleconferencing or web conferencing, is an online meeting wherein two or more people can see, hear, and talk to each other using computer networks to send audio and video data in real time. When we say video conference, nakikita natin yung kausap natin. Kapag audio naman, boses lang nila yung naririnig natin. 3. Some examples of video conferencing applications that allow direct video and voice communication via internet are Skype, Google, Plus Hangouts, Fuse Meetings, Google Meet, and FaceTime. MS Teams is included as a video conferencing application. So, skills check. Activity 1. Direction. Write down the details on each box based on your reading. So, the main idea here is video audio conferencing. So, ilalagay nyo lang sa A, B, C, and D kung ano yung idea nyo tungkol dyan. The main idea and the details organizer. So, please write your answers in your notebook. To give you enough time to answer this activity, you may pause this video and once you are done, you may continue playing this video to check your work. At this moment, you may now pause this video and start answering. Good luck! Now, let us check your work. Here is the key to correction or the possible answers for activity 1. Letter A. Video conferencing is called teleconferencing or web conferencing. For letter B, laptop, PC, smartphone, speakers, microphones, web camera, software, and internet are the requirements for video conferencing. Letter C, Skype, Google, Plus Hangouts, Fuse Meeting, Google Meet, and FaceTime are example of video conferencing software. And letter D, a method of communication between two persons with their personal computers or any device that are connected via the internet. That's the method of communication. Moving forward to lesson 2, the requirements for audio video conferencing. So here are the requirements for using audio and video conferencing. So you need the displays. Ano yung mga displays? Ito yung laptop, desktop, monitor, smartphone, tablet platforms, personal computer. Computer technology is important in using audio-video conferencing tool or any type of communication tool online. One has to be prepared with a few devices in order for two or more people to communicate on the internet. One important device is the laptop, tablet, or personal computer or PC. The personal computer is the most important technology in operating any software and connecting to the internet. This device helps connect one person's computer to another person's computer through the use of different audio-video conferencing tools found on the internet. Ano nga bang itsura niya mga display? Ito. We have here the smartphone na madalas nyong gamit sa online class. Actually, yung iba gamit ay tablet. And we also have the laptop. And of course, the PC or personal computer. So let's talk about the internet connection, which is the Wi-Fi or Ethernet. So the second important factor in using an audio-video conferencing tool is the internet access. Without access to the World Wide Web, a personal computer would be useless in communicating online. Only a fast internet access can support a successful and productive online audio-video conversation between two people. Broadband is a type of internet connection that is widely used today because it is fastest and most popular method to connect online. Well, I think that was before kasi ngayon it's fiber connection. This type of internet connection uses cable or telephone lines or radio signal to connect to the personal computer. So, ito yung mga itsura niya. So, this symbol is the Wi-Fi, yung nasa taas. Then we have here the plug-in broadband. And we also have the pocket Wi-Fi. Next is microphone. Another one is the microphone to enable person to record audio as well as speak to the other person without using text messages. So kung wala kang microphone, hindi ka makakapagsalita or hindi ka maririnig ng kausap mo. That is why kailangan si microphone. So here is the types of microphone. This one, the laptop microphone, yung unang picture. Then we have the microphone headset. And we also have the built-in microphone sa laptops yan. We have also the web camera, high-resolution webcam. A web camera or webcam is required to enable video recording and to be able to see the other person whom one is communicating with through the screen or monitor of the personal computer. So without the web camera, hindi natin makikita yung ating kausap. So we have the built-in camera and the external. Yan, yung web camera, yung plug and play sa mga laptops or personal computers. Sa smartphones natin, built-in na rin yung camera. And we have the video conferencing software such as Google Hangouts, Skype, Fuse Meeting, Zoom. Video conferencing software enables online communication for audio meetings, video meetings, and seminars with built-in features such as chat, screen sharing, and recording. So, gamit na rin natin yan sa online class. These applications are implemented to enable long-distance or international communication, enhance collaboration, and reduce the travel cost. So we have here the following: Google Hangouts, Skype, FaceTime. Marami pang iba, kids. So those are the video conferencing softwares. So we have now here the speakers. We have the built-in speaker, headset, and headphones. Other important attachments are audio-video devices that must be connected to the personal computer, such as speakers or headsets, to enable the person to hear the other person online. So without these tools or equipment, hindi natin maririnig yung ating kausap. That is why ang speaker ay kailangan. We have headset, Bluetooth earphones, and wired earphones. Activity 2, skills check. So the direction, identify the picture and give the functions of each technology requirement for video conferencing. Pangalanan at ibigay kung ano ba ang gamit ng mga sumusunod na larawan. As I said in the previous activity, you may pause this video if you are not yet done writing your answers. So here's the first picture. Number 2. Number 3. 4, 5, 6. Are you done? Let's check your work. So the first image is a headset. The function to enable the person to hear the other person online. The next image is video conferencing software. The function implemented to enable long distance or international communication, enhance collaboration, and reduce travel costs. Google Hangouts, pwede rin. Kasi yun yung icon niya. Number 3, it's the web camera to enable video recording and to be able to see the other person whom one is communicating with through the screen or monitor of the personal computer. 4 is Wi-Fi or internet. It is one of the most important tools of communication. The next one is laptop. Devices in order for 2 or more people to communicate on the internet. And microphone to enable person to record audio as well as speak to the other person without using text messages. Moving forward to lesson 3, the video conferencing. Video conferencing is widely used in different fields from homes, schools to business establishments. At home, it helps families and friends to stay connected to loved ones from different places in and out of the country. In school, it may enable students to see each other, share documents, and discuss lecture even if they are in different cities or even countries. It may also allow virtual field trip. So itatry natin yan soon. Virtual field trip. Safe na, wala ka pang ilalabas na pera. In business, video conferencing is efficient to use not only during meetings but also when dealing with customers. Product demonstration, for instance, may be executed more effectively through video conferencing rather than explaining it verbally. So here are the benefits of using video conferencing. First, it reduces travel time and expenses since it allows people to communicate to several places in an instant without having to leave the office. Second, it allows people from different fields and places to easily collaborate and share ideas with each other. And the third one, it enables showing demonstrations or procedures to large audience that may come from several places from all over the world. So, activity 4, skills check. Let me read. For this activity, we will use Google Hangouts Meet as our video conference software. Google Hangout Meet is an easy but powerful tool for video conferencing. Likewise, a great tool for schools for remote instructions. Again, by using Meet, we can connect with other people, especially your classmates, wherever they are, using your available display device. It can be a PC, smartphone, Mac, Chromebook, or tablet. And of course, get ready with your internet connections. Let's practice on how to use Google Hangouts. Just a short trivia, kids. Before it is called Google Hangouts Meet, but now it is known as the Google Meet. So yun yung dati niyang pangalan. Nag-transform na kasi. So let us proceed. Last lesson, participating in video and audio conference. That's the lesson 4. So, we must know on how to create a Google Hangout. Actually, nagawa nyo na yata to before. Step 1. Sign in to Google Plus. You will need a Google account, such as the one you use for Gmail. Google Plus is a social networking site that is designed for Google account holders. Step 2. Find the Hangout frame. The Hangouts are located on the left-hand side of the Google Plus page. Here you will see a list of your recent Hangouts as well as recently emailed contacts. Step 3. Create a Hangout. Click the plus new Hangout field at the top of the Hangouts list. The list will change to a list of your contacts and Google Plus circles. Check the box next to any people that you want to add to the Hangout. Regardless of what platform you are using, clicking or tapping on a contact or existing Hangout will open a chat box. If the other person is not online, they will receive messages the next time they open a Hangouts client. You can also reach or search for people and circles by typing the name, email, address, or phone number you are searching for into the field at the top of the list. And step 4. Choose your Hangout format. You are given the option to start either a video or a text Hangout. You can turn a text chat into a video chat at any time. So you have now created Google Hangouts on your device. Let's now explore more methods using Google Hangouts. Ready? Enjoy learning. So chatting in Google Plus Hangouts. Step 1. Add emoji to your conversation. If you click or tap the smiley face on the left side of the chat field, you will open a list of emoticons and emoji that you can use. They are separated into categories which you can navigate by selecting the icons at the top of the emoticon screen. By the way, here is the method A in chatting in Google Plus Hangouts. And step 2, share pictures. You can add images to your Hangout by clicking the camera icon on the right side of your chat field. This will open the select image window on a computer or an option menu on mobile devices. You can use your webcam or phone's camera to take photos and share them. Or you can add photos, other sources such as your computer or phone's memory. And step 3, adjust your chat settings. If you are using a computer, click the gear icon in the chat window to choose your archive settings. You can also block the person you are chatting with. If you are using a mobile device, press the menu button and select your options in the menu that appears. Step 4. Turn the chat into a video chat. Click the video camera button in the top of the chat box. The other person will receive a notification that you are attempting to start a video chat. You can video chat on both the computer and mobile devices. So, how's your work? Are you having trouble? Let someone in your home to guide you in doing this activity. Let's have more fun learning and joy. Now, here is the method B of accessing Hangouts on the go. So, step 1, download the app, open the Google Play Store on your Android device or the App Store on your iOS device and search for Hangouts. The app is free to download. Many Android devices come with the Hangouts pre-installed. It replaces the old Talk application. So as time goes by, nag-upgrade siya, kids. So wag kayong mag-alala kung, ay bakit iba na yung tawag? Kasi nga, pati software nag-upgrade. Step 2, run the app. When the app loads for the first time, you will be asked to log in with your Google account. Android users can choose the account associated with their device. iOS users will need to enter their Google username and password. When the app opens, you will see a list of your recent hangouts. When we say Android, ito yung sa mga smartphones na hindi iPhone. Kasi iOS is for iPhone users. Step 3. Swipe to the left to create a new hangout. Add contacts from the list or search for people by name and phone number. And that's it. Congratulations. You are now knowledgeable in communicating using audio video conferencing in a safe and responsible manner. Remember, video conferencing, also called teleconferencing or web conferencing, is an online meeting wherein two or more people can see, hear, and talk to each other using those devices. So, what can you do? Demonstrate online collaboration and communication on video conferencing. Invite at least 5 to 8 of your classmates in your Google Hangouts meet. Have a discussion regarding your current health crisis issues, the Corona-19 virus. Please consider the do's and don'ts when conducting video conferencing. Enjoy learning! So if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment down below. Now let us have the knowledge check. So you have to take the quiz number 4. The link for the quiz is in the description below. Please use your G Suite account in answering. And good luck. That ends our video. I hope you learned something from me. I'll see you again in my next vid. Goodbye and stay safe, everyone. God bless.